Why does cancer occur in some people and not others? In this video, I'll try to explain different mechanisms and risk factors which lead to the transformation of normal body cells into cancerous cells and subsequent development of a cancerous mass. Cancer, a complex and multifaceted disease, has various triggers and risk factors ranging from genetic predispositions to environmental exposures and lifestyle choices. In this video, I'll delve into the science behind cancer development, exploring the intricate interplay of genes, lifestyle, and environment. I have tried to uncover the factors that contribute to this challenging disease and discuss ways to potentially reduce your risk. Whether you are a survivor, a loved one, or simply curious, this video aims to provide valuable insights into the mysteries of cancer occurrence. Cancer occurs when cells in the body grow out of control. These cells can form a lump called a tumor, and if not treated, they can spread to other parts of the body and make us very sick. It's like weeds growing wild in a garden, taking over healthy plants. Cancer is a complex disease and its development is influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. While the exact causes of cancer can vary depending on the type and individual circumstances, here are some common factors that can contribute to the development of cancer. Genetic mutations. Changes in the DNA within cells can disrupt normal cell growth and division, leading to the development of cancer. These mutations can be inherited from parents or acquired during a person's lifetime due to various factors such as exposure to carcinogens or errors during DNA replication. Carcinogens. Exposure to certain substances in the environment known as carcinogens can increase the risk of developing cancer. Carcinogens include tobacco smoke, certain chemicals, ionizing radiations such as from excessive sun exposure or medical imaging, certain viruses such as human papilloma virus or hepatitis B and C, and some occupational exposures. Age. The risk of developing cancer increases with age. This is because the accumulation of genetic mutation over time increases the likelihood of abnormal cell growth and cancer formation. Family history. Some types of cancer can run in families. Inherited gene mutations such as BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations associated with breast and ovarian cancers can increase the risk of developing cancer. However, it's important to note that only a small percentage of cancers are directly linked to inherited gene mutations. Lifestyle factors. Certain lifestyle choices can contribute to the development of cancer. These include tobacco and alcohol use, unhealthy diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, and prolonged exposure to sunlight without protection. Chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body, which can result from conditions such as chronic infections, inflammatory bowel disease, or long-term exposure to certain irritants, can increase the risk of developing cancer. Here are few points on the latest research performed on the risk factors of cancer and its diagnosis. Recent studies have identified new genetic markers and mutations that increase an individual's susceptibility to various types of cancer. Research is focusing on identifying specific carcinogens and understanding how exposure levels affect cancer risk. Lifestyle factors. There is a particular focus on how these factors interact with genetic predispositions to influence cancer risk. Screening and early detection. Advances in imaging technologies and biomarker tests are improving the early detection of cancer. Research is also exploring the use of artificial intelligence to analyze diagnostic tests, aiming to identify cancer at its earliest stage when it is most treatable. Microbiome influence. There's an increasing interest in understanding how the human microbiome, the collection of microorganisms living in our bodies, influences cancer risk and progression. Some studies suggest that certain bacterial imbalances may promote cancer development. Inflammation and cancer. Research is exploring how prolonged inflammation can lead to DNA damage and contribute to the development of cancerous cells. Viral and bacterial infections. The link between certain infections and cancer risk is a focus of ongoing research. This research is crucial for developing more effective prevention strategies, diagnostic tools, and treatments, with the ultimate goal of reducing the incidence and mortality of cancer globally. It is important to understand that cancer development is a complex process and multiple factors often interact to contribute to its occurrence. Each individual's risk may be influenced by a unique combination of genetic and environmental factors. Regular medical checkups, healthy lifestyle choices, and awareness of potential risk factors can help in reducing the risk of cancer or detecting it at an early stage. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below.